Say, shine me like a dream, baby girl. Say,
bây giờ lục đứa rồi chúng ta lo xin chào mọi người một lần nữa chúc gia đình mạnh khỏe.
So we come here with great hope and prayer that these chairs will make your life better, help those around you, give you a better chance to have a full and happy life. And we just are thrilled to be here with you, and thank you so much for hosting us.